What if I told you that your favorite food might be hiding something bizarre? Like how one of the most expensive ingredients in the world comes from fish bladders, or how your morning coffee is technically a fruit juice. Yep, you heard that right. Stick around because these 12 jaw-dropping food facts are going to change how you see your next meal forever. Food isn't just fuel, it's a treasure trove of the weird, the wild, and the downright unbelievable. Whether it's surprising ingredients or centuries-old traditions, the foods we eat tell fascinating stories. Today, we're diving into 12 bizarre food facts that will make you question everything you thought you knew about your plate. Let's get started. We all think we know our food, but what if I told you there's a lot more beneath the surface? Most of us don't realize how many of our favorite dishes and ingredients come from surprising origins or quirky traditions. Ever wondered why cheese is considered alive? Or how chocolate helped win wars? It's time to find out. Fact number one, coffee is technically a fruit juice. Your morning coffee isn't just a pick-me-up, it's also a bit of a fruit story. Coffee beans aren't beans, they're seeds found inside the fruit of the coffee plant. While we roast and brew the seeds, some cultures use the fruit itself to make a sweet juice or tea. So technically speaking, coffee starts its life as fruit juice. Fact number two, fish bladders in beer and wine. Beer and wine lovers, brace yourselves. Your drink might have been filtered with isinglass, a substance made from fish swim bladders. This centuries-old practice is used to clarify beverages by removing particles like yeast. While many producers now use vegan alternatives, some traditional brewers still swear by it. Cheers! Fact number three, bread was once considered dangerous. In the 19th century, industrially produced white bread caused a health scare. Reformers like Dr. Sylvester Graham believed refined bread was harmful to digestion and mental health. He championed whole grain bread instead, inspiring the health food movement. Imagine being told your toast was dangerous. Fact number four, most wasabi isn't wasabi. If you love sushi, here's a shocker. That green wasabi paste on your plate, it's probably not real wasabi. Authentic wasabi comes from the Wasabia japonica plant, which is hard to grow and extremely expensive. What you're eating is likely a mix of horseradish, mustard, and green dye. Real wasabi can cost over $200 per kilogram. How's that for a luxury condiment? Fact number five, cinnamon comes from tree bark. That spice in your apple pie? It's literally tree bark. Cinnamon is harvested from the inner bark of trees in the Cinnamomum genus. The bark is peeled, dried, and rolled into sticks. Harvesting requires careful skill to avoid harming the tree, making cinnamon as much an art as a spice. Fact number six, chocolate helped win wars. During World War II, chocolate wasn't just a treat, it was a survival tool. The U.S. Army created D-ration bars, high-calorie, heat-resistant chocolate designed to sustain soldiers in battle. Soldiers didn't love the taste. It was intentionally bland to prevent overeating, but it played a critical role in keeping them going. Fact number seven, cashews grow on fruit. Cashews grow attached to the bottom of a fruit called the cashew apple. But here's the twist. The nut is encased in a shell that contains toxic oils, including urushiol, the same irritant found in poison ivy. That's why cashews need to be carefully processed before they're safe to eat. Snack responsibly. Fact number eight, blueberries are nature's antifreeze. Blueberries have a survival secret. They produce natural sugars that act like antifreeze, protecting their cells from freezing temperatures. This is why they stay delicious even after being frozen, making them perfect for smoothies and desserts. Fact number nine, the origin of Caesar salad dressing. The Caesar salad wasn't born in Italy. It was created in 1924 in Tijuana, Mexico, by an Italian-American chef named Cesar Cardini. Faced with limited ingredients during a 4th of July rush, he whipped up the original dressing using olive oil, raw eggs, and Worcestershire sauce. A true salad sensation. Fact number 10, cheese is alive. Cheese isn't just food, it's a living ecosystem of bacteria and molds. These microorganisms develop the cheese's flavor and texture during aging. Some cheeses even require regular care, like brushing or washing their rinds, making cheese-making as much about nurturing as it is about cooking. Fact number 11, popsicles were invented by accident. In 1905, an 11-year-old boy named Frank Epperson accidentally left a mixture of soda powder and water outside with a stirring stick. The cold night turned it into the world's first popsicle. Years later, Frank patented his invention, calling it the Epsicle. His kids later renamed it the Popsicle, and we've been enjoying his frosty mistake ever since. Fact number 12, honey never spoils. Honey's unique chemical composition makes it the only food that never spoils. Its low water content and acidic pH prevent bacterial growth, while natural enzymes from bees add to its preservative qualities. Archaeologists have even found 3,000-year-old honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that's still safe to eat. Sweet and eternal. And now for the most bizarre fact of all, Kopi Luwak, or civet coffee, is made from beans eaten and excreted by civet cats. The beans undergo fermentation in the civet's stomach, giving the coffee a smooth, unique flavor. At up to $100 per cup, it's one of the most expensive coffees in the world. Strange? Definitely. Delicious? You decide. So there you have it, 12 bizarre food facts that range from ancient secrets to modern-day quirks. From coffee's fruity origins to honey's immortality, the foods we love are full of surprises. Which facts surprise you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love mind-blowing trivia like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more fascinating facts coming your way. Don't miss out.